What's up, guys? Welcome back to American Arms Channel. Today, part 2 of getting the 58 SOCOM to run, and it's gonna run. Let's see what it does. Alright, guys, so we saw that it ran the Precision 1 ammunition. Those were the last 5 or 7 rounds, however many I had, of this 300 grain jacketed soft point. Now this is a really cost-effective 458 loading. I got this from Outdoor Limited, or Outdoors Limited. Go check them out. I will put the web address in the link below. They actually have some really awesome prices on small arms ammunition all the time. And this only ran me about $26.99. Now, that's kind of expensive, but when you think about premium hunting ammo for your 30-06, that's not that bad. And being that it's a specialty caliber, 458 SOCOM, the Precision 1 ammunition, it's a nice planking round. I really like using that box. The brass is, of course, good. It's the same Starline brass as everybody uses. So now we're going to try it out with the 250 grain Hornady mono flint. Now this is a copper solid hollow point with a ballistic tip, and this one with 32.2 grains of little gun is traveling right around 1035 for my average velocity testing. Now I'm going to shoot a few rounds here today. I don't know how my modified 5.56 magazine is going to be, but this slightly modified Lancer mag that holds 4 just ran those Precision 1 rounds just fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load 3. Now I want to do some function testing as well as get a group on the board at 50 yards, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to show you the gun cycling. I've got the standard H buffer in it with the Sprinco enhanced power carbine spring, so we'll eventually get an H2 or H3 buffer and a proper upgraded spring from Sprinco, but as of right now, we're running off of modified 5.56 mags, and we're running off of what I have available to me in my guns as well as parts. And while it's not perfect, it's cycling, and I'm really happy about it. So let's sit down, let's shoot at a target, let's see what kind of group we can put together, maybe get a little bit of a zero on the rifle. It's getting close to hunting season after all, and let's see. Alright guys, my little range bag rest here. Let's run these 3 rounds of these Hornady Monoflex. Now again, these are trucking, and these are a copper solid projectile, and they really do penetrate. I will comment that I shot 2 milk jugs full of water, so 2-gallon jugs, 5 sheets of folded up, so it ended up being like 8 or 10 inches of wetted ram board. Now ram board is a hard, heavy stock cardboard used to protect flooring in houses, just in case you're wondering. And it's that's the product. It's called ram board, and so it's a heavy cardboard. And then behind that was bags of placing. Now it went through at 25 yards 2 water jugs. Big surprise there. Just disintegrated them. Huge cavitation from that water. A lot of fun, of course. Went through the ram board, was opening up, and stuck itself in the second sandbag, so it went through the first. I mean, it went through a lot of material, guys, so this is definitely a penetrating round out of this 16-inch 458 SOCOM barrel by Faxon. I've modified the rifle, so it will feed more reliably. I noticed with dry cycling, it was sticking on the lower teeth of the barrel extension. And I took a Dremel hand file. I don't think I got it perfect, but I polished it up and took off the burrs. And now we're closing. We're not having feeding issues. It's cycling nicely, and it feels really good to fire. So we've got a really potent round in here. It would be excellent for heavy game. And on the East Coast here in Virginia, that would be black bear. Now the 300 grain flex tip, which is basically an FTX, also by Hardy, is much better at expansion and slows down a lot faster. So that will be the deer load. But I figured I wanted to run these. I have more of these put together. This is fresh brass, by the way, fresh loads. So 100% good to go. But let's see what we can put together at 50 yards for a group. Locked back, fed great. No primer signs, of course. Always check with a hand load that I haven't tested out a lot. Brass looks good, not beat up. And it ejected out right here. It's kind of pushed around, but that's what these big, heavy, big bore cartridges do. So, at least out of the AR-15. So, I guess we'll try and take a look at that target and see how we did. All right, guys, 3-shot group here. These are definitely there. Definitely not as tight as I want, but I think I pulled that second shot. So I think this is the second shot. Was holding here, so obviously we need to re-zero and get that more lined up. But not terrible. Not terrible at all. So let's put 3 rounds. Let's see if I can put this together and get them on the bullseye here. All right, so we've got our scope adjusted, so hopefully we'll have a pretty close 0 now. I'll do 3 more rounds of this monoflex hand load. You know, I really love shooting this 458. This is a lot of fun. Basically, you're throwing energy downrange like a 20 gauge slug or a 570 government with standard pressure loads, but you're getting a lot of modern technology in a very small, lightweight package. This rifle, the way it is set up right now, granted it does need a dust cover, but that's only, a very small amount of weight. The way this rifle is set up now with this particular optic, this thing comes in at around 7 pounds or less. It's not something that you're going to be flying, hiking up hill and dale over mountains and under, bridge with. It's something that you can take out hunting and really enjoy using. Now, changes since you last seen it. This BCM grip was just added as well as this trigger guard. One, just a little bit more modernized trigger guard, and 2, this BCM grip makes it a lot nicer to hold on to. I've got one on my 25-45 rifle. It was between this, a Hogue, or an MOE Plus. And I felt that the more vertical stance of this BCM gunfighter gave you good texture, good grip in wet, cold, clammy conditions, as well as just allowed the recoil impulse to travel more rearward and not into your wrist. So that is a really nice feature. Other than that, we're running the heavy buffer, the Delton heavy buffer, and the Sprinco enhanced power spring. Again, this will probably get an H2 buffer. I think that will help smooth out the cycling, but right now it's being very, very reliable with this setup. So I may just leave this setup in this rifle and get myself a new spring for my Smith & Wesson and call it good. But man, it feels good when you get a rifle to run right that you built, especially when you've had a few teething issues. Man, it feels good to have that to go home. And let's see. center. Now we're horizontally zeroed, and I think I'm just going to run the last 4 rounds out of this LW, or not LWRC, this Lancer L5 mag. It's a 10 round 223, but I've modified it just slightly, giving it a little scoop at the front. And apparently, I can't feed the rifle. I mean, it likes 3 the best, but it fit 4, and it has fed it once before, so I'm not seeing really much shavings in the action. We're cycling great. Our brass out right here. I've got 3 more cases just sitting here. Yeah. Let's load up and keep going. Nice little group down there. I mean, at 50 yards, 3, 4, 5, 8 diameter bullets hit touching. It's not terrible. Left just a hair. I dare say we're on. Let's just put one on a rock out there. Man, that hits with some authority. Fed 4 rounds, perfect. Every round cycle today. I don't have a lot of Mario on my brass. I can polish a few things up, I think. But we've got her running. She's shooting, boys. Let's take a look at that target. All right, guys, so we're walking up on our target here. Again, here's our first group, and I definitely pulled a shot. We tried to re-zero, and I centered up 3 really well, and came over this way a little bit, and I felt really good about all 3 of these shots as far as my hold center. So I moved my my turret a little bit to center me up on the left of that group there. But I mean, damn, at 50 yards, that's not terrible. So if we're going off of these center to center, we're probably looking at a 1 MOA rifle at 100. This isn't really a rifle you're going to take out past 200 anyways, and it's going to definitely drop once you get out past 100. But man, 50 yard zero, going to keep it at this height. We're going to call it a 50 yard zero, but it's probably more like a 75 yard zero. And I think that this rifle is pretty much ready to hunt as is. But we'll tinker with her a few more times, but man, I'm glad we got her running. Well, guys, the 458 SOCOM project is getting close to its completion as far as the actual rifle. Again, we've just got to put a better optic on it. Again, we're going to go with the Vortex Strike Eagle 1 to 8 power. Give my father a little bit of get close in, as well as a little bit farther distance capability with also the ballistic drop reticle. So really happy with how this has performed today, both as reliability as well as accuracy, except for that 1 round just kind of pulling it low. Guns shooting tight, and I'm sure the 300 grain FTXs will perform the same. We'll get those on paper at some point. Just a few more things to do to it, as well as get either some more Lancers or some 458 specific magazines. But man, what a slick little hunting setup we got here. All right, guys, stay tuned for more 458 AR-15 big bore rifle action here on American Arms Channel. As always, I'm Drake.